Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZC Trades, and today I just want to do a quick market review of US 30. I didn't take this trade on a live account. I took this trade on a demo account simply for the fact that I'm saving up to buy a nice size prop firm account. So boom, I used this model using the 5-step strategy that I posted in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out, man. It's a banger. And I'm gonna run through the steps real quick in these two as well. So the first step, mark up anything that catches your eye on the 1 hour chart. Now we're scalpers, so I'm only looking to get in and out the market within a 1 hour candle. I'm dropping into the 1 minute to catch my entry, and I want to be out within an hour candle. 11:30 max, okay? My eye draws to is this London low right here because it seems easily accessible by a 1 hour candle. Possibly this New York low right here if we get a meltdown, a downpour on price action. Okay, boom. So now I'm gonna drop into a 15-minute chart. Let's do it. So the only thing that really catches my eye on this 15-minute chart is this 15-minute SIBI right here that price is already reacted off of. And I do see that we have a market structure shift downwards right here. I do see this New York low. That's very important because price came so close to it before that it's most likely just going to take it out. I do see relative equal highs, but I'm not really too worried about them. If we go take out those highs, then we're just going to keep going up. Now I'm going to drop into a 5-minute chart and let's just see what we see. Okay, perfect. On this 5-minute chart, you know what I see? I see the exact same pattern that I showed in the 5-step strategy video. I see an imbalance here. Price comes up to rebalance it, returns in its initial direction. Now it did play around and come back up here and rebalance it some more, but it broke this low right here. And right here is where we'll find our market structure shift, which is what I talked about in the 5-step strategy video. Here is our market structure shift. Now I'm looking for an inefficiency to jump in the move and move lower. And the only inefficiency that really catches my eye is this right here. Now it is only 9:20, so I wouldn't even be looking at the charts right now. So we're just gonna let it rock out until about 9:45, 9:50 and see what happens. Okay, so right now on the chart, it is 10 o'clock on the dot. Now look what happened at 9:30. Now, if you paid attention to one of my last videos, I said that at 9:30, the New York Stock Exchange opens up. And typically every single day, there is a lot of manipulation that revolves around that. And today it just so happened to happen exactly at 9:30. At 9:30, we came up and we rebalanced all of this right here. Now, usually if I see the New York Stock Exchange create an impulse move up, I know the move is down. If I see the New York Stock Exchange create an impulse move downwards, I'm looking for a move up. This is just confirmation of this market structure shift right here. We came up and we rebalanced these 5-minute gaps right here. I don't expect us to return above this high. I don't even expect us to return above this wick right here. This is a huge wick. But what I am going to do is I'm going to mark up the consequent encroachment of that wick because price may come back to the consequent encroachment. Some people say that wicks are like gaps. Maybe large wicks are like gaps. I just like to mark up the consequent encroachment of the New York Stock Exchange manipulation if it leaves a large wick like this, because a lot of times you will get the reaction off of the equilibrium or the 0.5 area on the fib. So now I'm going to drop it to a lower time frame. Let's drop to a 3-minute. Okay, I'm going to drop it to a 2-minute, and I'm going to drop it to a 1 minute. Okay, cool. I don't see anything, so we just have to let price rock out for right now. Okay, cool. So we see price drew pretty much to the 0.5 area and then reversed, okay? But now I do want you guys to pay attention to this right here as well. This is also the same pattern that I showed you guys. We have this inefficiency here and we have this move up. Now, if our bias wasn't downwards, I would be taking a buy. The reason I'm not taking a buy is because of the displacement lower and the fact that the New York Stock Exchange open created manipulation in a buy side direction. And also, we want displacement that violates rebalanced SIBIs or BISIs. Now, what is this? This is a BISI. This is the BISI being rebalanced. What is this? This is a BISI. This is the BISI being rebalanced. What is this? This is displacement. So I'm not expecting this whole gap to be filled up, but this is where we will be taking our entry. Now, I am going to mark that up with the fib, and I do want to see if there's a gap on the 2-minute. Okay, yeah, so there is a gap on the 2-minute. Higher time frame rules, so I'm going to mark the fib up like this, and this is exactly how I did it this morning. I would be taking this trade, executing this trade at the 0.5 equilibrium of this 2-minute gap, and I would be riding it down to the London lows. Now, this is a 1 to 3.6, okay? Now, right now, I'm just putting in my lot size as if I had a $100,000 funded account or a $100,000 live account, and I will be risking 1%, and I'm just waiting to execute on this trade. I always like to visualize it even when I'm back testing. Visualize it as if the account is mine. If you know anything about visualization, you know a little something, okay? I didn't get a chance to get in, but y'all see that. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. That displacement makes all of the difference, and I emphasize that in the 5-step strategy video. And yeah, this is the trade that I caught on the demo account today. I'll probably be doing a review on another session, another kill zone some other time this week, so stay tuned for that, man. But yeah, I just want to do a quick video and show y'all that this actually does work, and I actually do trade this. Now, when I do a funded challenge, I will be doing that live on this account. I'll probably be posting updates about every 2 to 3 days, so stay tuned for that, man. I'm out this John. Peace.